If you want to tag new subscribers in Mailchimp quickly and keep your audience organized, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Tagging subscribers is a simple way to segment your contacts, track where people came from, and send more targeted campaigns later on. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials every week. Alright, let's jump into Mailchimp. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp, then sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the main menu and click on Audience. This is where all of your contacts are stored, and it's the section you'll use to manage subscribers, tags, and audience details. Now that you're on the audience page, from here, find the subscribers you want to tag. You can tick the checkbox next to each contact you want to include. This is useful if you only want to tag new subscribers or a specific group of people instead of everyone in your list. After selecting the contacts, look for the Tag Contacts option and click it. This opens the tagging menu where Mailchimp gives you the ability to apply an existing tag or create a new one if needed. Tags are really helpful because they let you organize people based on actions, interests, lead sources, or sign-up forms. Next, select the tag you want to assign to those subscribers. If the tag already exists, just choose it from the list. If you've set up a new tag for a campaign, welcome sequence, product interest, or sign-up source, this is where you can attach it to the selected contacts. Take a moment to make sure you've chosen the correct tag before moving forward. Once everything looks right, click Apply. Mailchimp will now add that tag to all the contacts you selected. In just a few clicks, you've organized your subscribers and made it much easier to target them later with automated emails and segmented campaigns. And that's it. You've successfully tagged new subscribers in Mailchimp. This is one of the easiest ways to stay organized and build smarter email marketing workflows without wasting time manually updating each contact one by one. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. And if you want, keep watching for more Mailchimp tips, email marketing guides, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs to help you work faster and more confidently.